Here's your weekly tax tip. I am Charlene Moultrie, Office Supervisor and Senior Tax Advisor with Javis Tax Service. Are you confused on which status to file? When filing single, a taxpayer, if you're filing single, the last day of the year, they were either unmarried or legally separated from their spouse under a divorce or separation decree, and they do not qualify for any other filing status. If you are a widower, if a taxpayer's spouse died in the current tax year, they can use married filing jointly as their filing status for the current tax year only, if they otherwise qualify to use that status. The year of death is the last year for which a taxpayer can file jointly with their deceased spouse. They may be eligible to use qualifying widow or widower with dependent child as their filing status for 2 years following the year the spouse died. Married filing joint. Taxpayers can choose married filing joint as their filing status if they are married and both the taxpayer and the spouse agree to file a joint return. When taxpayers choose to file a joint return, they will report combined income and deductions for the taxpayer and the spouse, even if one of them had no income or deductions for the year. They may also qualify for certain tax credits and benefits that other statuses do not qualify for. Married filing separately. Taxpayers use married filing separately are married individuals who decide not to file a joint tax return or who are separated and do not qualify to use head of household status. Head of household is a taxpayer that may be able to file as head of household if they meet all the following requirements. They were unmarried or considered unmarried on the last day of the year. They paid more than half the cost of keeping up a home for the year. Or a qualifying person lived with the taxpayer in the home for more than half the year, except for temporary absences such as school. However, if the qualifying person is their dependent parent, he or she does not have to physically live with the taxpayer. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 803-419-1001 or come visit us at our office at 9557 Two Notch Road, Suite I, Columbia, South Carolina 29223.